Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. I am holding my shoe, so that means today we are going to create a step counter. So I have my microbit here and it is going to show me a number each time I take a step. So here we go, it's going up 4, 5, 6. It might not show the number completely properly with my phone screen. It's quite hard to film this sort of thing, but you get the idea that the number is going up each time I take a step, and this is a great project for us to do. You can also attach the microbit to your ankle if you have a special microbit strap as well. So let's get coding. So for this project, I'm going to name it step counter. So I've opened up my code, and I don't need forever, but I do need start, and I need a variable. I'm going to call this variable steps because that's the number we're counting. So a variable is just a number in code that you can add to, you can take away, and you can use within your code. So I'm going to call it steps, and I'm going to set steps to 0. And then I am going to find onShake. So onShake, and I'm going to change steps by 1. And then I'm going to show number, and it is going to be steps. Here we go. So on start, set steps to 0, change steps by 1, show number steps. And that is all we need to do to get our step counter working. If I press shake, here we go. So pressing shake is the same as shaking your microbit in real life. We have our step counter. So you can download this onto a microbit, then attach it to your leg. If you've got one of the nice little microbit straps, that's even better for attaching it to your leg. Make sure you've got the microbit attached securely, otherwise it will just fall off and you won't be able to record your steps very well. So I hope you enjoy this project, and I hope to see you again very soon.